Going on, boys? I just wanted to start off this video by kind of acknowledging some comments that I've seen in the past couple of videos. You guys have been saying like, Bran, you need a haircut. You're looking like a douche. You're looking like one of those douches. Literally, I guess I had a severe lapse of judgment. I didn't notice. I appreciate you guys for pointing it out though, man. That's such a boys thing. I guess that's kind of what happens when you get a girlfriend. You know what I mean? You kind of just like forget to look the part a little bit. So I guess I'll give you guys a promise that I'll proceed to get a haircut, you know, whenever the fuck I feel like it. Back in action, boys. Boys, thank you for joining back. You know, we're gonna chalk this up as a Bran speaking his mind type video. You know what I mean? It's not just gonna be all talking. You know, I'm gonna show you stuff too. As I flex muscles I don't have anymore. I used to be jacked, but COVID happened, and I'm not too fond of the way that my muscles look. But I stop. Anyway, boys, we're talking ICEBOX today, man. Now, let me tell you, we've done a lot of videos about ICEBOX. You know, I've actually bought things from ICEBOX. We always show the good in them. You know, but there's something that's been kind of grinding. How do I say this? Been grinding my balls lately a little bit. That has to do with ICEBOX. And let me tell you, your balls being grinded isn't good at all. Y'all know I talk facts, boys. You know, I'm not scared of the truth. And to be honest, I've worked with ICEBOX in the past. I haven't worked with them, but they sent me a free gift one time, which means I should probably be nice to them, but I'm not. I don't give a thank you for your gift. It was only a lanyard and something else. I think you can do better. Just kidding about that part, but seriously, man. Boys, ICEBOX been pissing me off a little bit. I'm gonna give you some reasons why. Actually, first off, give a thumbs up, comment down below, boys. We're gonna chalk this up as 001 of actually getting shared on YouTube again. In order to do that, boys, thumbs up and comments helps so much. It like fixes the algorithm a little bit. You know what I mean? It fixes what happens with the algorithm. I don't know math. I don't know scientific things. It doesn't matter. Thumbsing up and comments are great, and I appreciate you for it, boys. I'm not mad at you today. I'm mad at ICEBOX. Just keep that in mind. I love you guys. Full homo. Can you say that on YouTube anymore? God only knows. Back to ICEBOX. Boys, here's one example as to why, okay, this is a bad example. No, it's a good example as to why I'm speaking my mind right now. Since I've been doing a lot of videos on ICEBOX, because they get views, and you know, we've gotten some decent jewelry from them. I've been getting a lot of messages in the DMs from you guys being like, yo, because of your video, I shopped ICEBOX, and here's one example. Hey, Bran, shopped ICEBOX the other day, spent 800 bucks, finally got it in, and guess what? It's very small. I'm putting that in my own words. It was a full paragraph. First off, buddy, that's your problem. I mean, if you click on the piece that you want and then swipe on ICEBOX, you're gonna see the size. And generally, if you're paying that much money, you're gonna get something the size of, like, I don't know, my brain or something like that. Zinger to me again. Anyway, the video today is because we've done so many videos of showing the good of ICEBOX. I'm gonna hop online with you guys and show you the bad, the worst pieces of ICEBOX. Now, let me tell you right now, boys, ICEBOX isn't always bad, you know what I mean? They do some great things for these rappers. It's really sick. I might come off a little stingy right now because I am. I don't have that rapper money to be buying those big pieces. They do a pretty good job. But for us smaller guys, and I'm gonna take a stance right now, this is our options, boys. A fucking hamburger. God only knows what the purple is on it. Eggplant. Wiener joke. Put wieners in your hamburger, boys. Then you look at the page a little bit more, and they're giving us sushi. It's not even the best sushi roll, you know what I mean? Those might be $3 in the best restaurant. At least give us one of those $11 rolls that look sick. You click on that piece, though. We're talking 2,000 something bucks Canadian. That's like 3,582.9 math out of my ass. I'm not good at math. I just made it up. And then on top of that, boys, once you spend your money, you look at the size of the piece. It's gonna make you want to punch a hole through the window and jump out. I'm not down for it. Boys, it's been pissing me off. They're not here for the guys that can't afford anything but still shop on ICEBOX. Now I'm saying this out loud. None of this is making sense. I'm mad that we can't afford it, really. But our options are very slim, and they have very bad jewelry on the website. Jewelry that they have on there isn't sick at all. I think they're super hyped up, and therefore I shall cancel. Just kidding, ICEBOX, if you're watching. Send me another box and stuff, and I totally will lie to my viewers for you and say that you're sick again. YouTube strategy, boys. Anyway, let's hop online and look at ICEBOX's crap pieces. That's all the video is. We're just gonna troll them because we can't afford it. Anyway, boys, that was a long explanation of things I'm probably going to regret saying later, but incognito mode engaged. Private browsing, they say. Let's go to ICEBOX, boys. We're searching for the worst pieces. Let me tell you, there's a lot. I'm going to tell you not to not buy ICEBOX. You know what I mean? Buy what you want. I'm going to just say this stuff's ground my wiener a little bit. I'm not happy with it. Especially when us little guys can't afford the cool stuff. This is what you hook us up with? This video is stupid. What are you thinking, bro? I came up with this idea this morning when I was H-I-T-H-E, and then I thought that's a good video idea because I got pissed off looking at that picture, and now I'm looking at it, it all makes sense why it sucks because it's cheap. $550 the sizing, boys. So $550 for this. Okay, that's not a bad piece. Let's go. I think it's okay. Whew. You gotta think more about your content before making it. Bad piece right here, boys. I think their product is actually pretty well made, but not for the price I think. SI quality. Oh my gosh, boys. Look at only $299 for one letter. For one letter. Let me type my brand real quick. Okay. How do you spell your name again, Brandon? Okay, buy now. How much is it? $2,392, boys. B-R-A-N. That's only half of that. That's that right now. You're spending $2,000. ICEBOX, I'm sorry for this video. I don't even think I'm exposing you. I think everyone's smart enough to not buy that. Weed leaf. Yeah, I like that stuff. But bad. Okay, so actually, a lot of this stuff looks like kind of, that's pretty cool. But the price, man, $487.50. Okay, it's pretty big too. Wow, this is really backfiring on me. Big! But come on, for that price, boys, we don't want that one. Okay, that's kind of sick. Now we're looking at sick things. Brandon, stick to the point. Batman, he's stupid. He's probably the worst superhero that we've seen. God, they're all like for the price. It's like a lot of money, but they're not badly done. They're really well done. But I just like personally wouldn't spend my money for a piece like that for $1,750. Although I have before, but I've learned since then. This is oh, alien! I want that one. How big is it? It's $1,000. I mean, I don't want a giant alien on my chest. Yeah, no, that's small. That's stupid for $1,000. Oh, what kind of, is it SI diamonds? Is it white gold? Okay. Well, how do I favorite? Well, I'll favorite it later. Anyway, that's stupid. What a waste of money that was. Flying V guitar. Nobody plays those. Okay, I'm actually going to take this seriously now, but that's sick too. Okay, 100. You can buy that on my website. Quick ad. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either going to get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, and we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. And we're back. All you do is pay shipping. Okay, so that's badly done. I think a lot of the bad stuff is on their Instagram, to be honest. Instagram. I think that's what's like the stuff that's been pissing me off a little bit. I can't log in through the computer like that. Okay. And we're here. Steve will do it. What a guy. Like that guy. Here's the burger and sushi we're talking about, boys. Not for it. Love sushi and burgers. But I don't want it for $2,000 freaking dollars. It set me off, and once again, I'm overthinking why I'm doing this. Show more ICEBOX products. You know what they did really bad the other day? This is my personal opinion. They had something going on. Okay, really? I'm not logging in. I always forget to take things out of the video, and people found out my password before, and that's a fact. And that's why we go on incognito mode, because people also figured out what I was searching. Well, nothing bad, but it's a little embarrassing. You know what I mean? Nobody needs to see what the kind of P-Ron you're watching, which also isn't bad. It's just, you don't need to know. You know, it's none of your business. Anyway, Brand, you're talking too much. Accessories. I think we're done. Okay. Oh, I want that too. It's stupid. This was dumb. Stupid idea. Don't spend your money on the small stuff, boys. That's my own thing. That's the only thing I could say. Although, if you've got enough money for this box and you've got enough cool jewelry, definitely send me a picture of it and maybe send it to me in the mail for a review, and then I'll send it right back to you. I'll even give you the money it's worth, and then I'll send it right back to you so you know you're getting your money's worth. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game. This backfired. Bye. Thumbs up, comment.